Okay, for today's tutorial, we're going to be taking cute little cereal boxes and turning them into even cuter notebooks. I have the two, so I have a box, and then this is what I turned it into. These cute little notebooks. If you want to learn how to create these cute little notebooks, please stay tuned and I will show you how to do it. Bye everyone. So that is the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe if you like and you want more videos. But I enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you tomorrow. Bye everyone.